Hey time travelers, I've got a great telework tips video this week. Something that you can even use for your own personal business to make your computer run faster and your web browsers run faster especially. It's all about the fastest way to clear your cache or, the downloaded files that a web browser uses. So check it out. I've got a few browsers open and I can show you a common way to get to this menu on any browser. Doesn't matter. So the first one we're going to do is Chrome, and on my keyboard, I'm going to press these three buttons together. Control, Shift, Delete. Now you've got this menu, and if you guys are interested in something a little clever, I can show you the files as they delete. If you've ever deleted your cache before, you probably didn't see this. Chrome is in User Profile, App Data, Local, Google, Chrome, User Data, Default, and then cache, okay? So put this on our side and put Chrome on the other side. What you want to do is change the time range to all time, and you want cookies and other site data, cached images and files. The most important are these two. If you're trying to get a web page that's not working to work again, it's these two, but I like to delete everything. Boom, you see all those files just magically disappear? Now the next step is to close all the tabs in Chrome. And there's another browser behind there, with the show that I was watching. Then you could reopen Chrome and use it for something else. If you want to see something else interesting, you can hit Control-Shift-Escape to open the Task Manager. And another way, if you can't get Control-Shift-Escape to work, is to hit Windows button R together, and you get the little run box, and you want to type TASKMGR, but that brings up the same thing. You hit more details if that button's there, otherwise it looks like this. You go to details, and this is something you're going to do if you're still having problems after clearing your cache. You look in here for an executable, which is like a .exe. That's what exe stands for, executable. So, for example, Chrome is Chrome.exe, Firefox is Firefox.exe, M is MS Edge. I'll put a few on the screen so that you can just look in here in a glance and look for them. A fast way to go to a specific one, if you want to check, is click on one at random. Doesn't matter, it's not going to do anything. And press the first letter of what you want to find. Like, so in this example, I want to find MS Edge. I press M on the keyboard. And it goes to MSDTC, which is something, I don't know what that is. But below that, you can see MS Edge. Now, why I'm showing you this is if you close the program and it's still in there, you can hit End Task. And that will save you from having to restart the computer. So anyways, the next example is Firefox. So let's put that over there so you can see something. Its folder is User Profile, App Data, Local, Brain Fart, Mozilla, Firefox, Profiles, some random folder name, Cache 2, Doomed Entries. Let's try this. Control-Shift-Delete, change the time range to everything. And again, you want the cache is the most important thing, and cookies if you want to fix your browsing experience from being buggy and slow. Boop. Look, all those files disappear. And then close it. The next one is funny. It's Internet Explorer. And I was trying to load YouTube, and it's like, this website you're trying to reach doesn't work with Internet Explorer. And it opened it in Edge. Whatever. Its folder, if you're curious, is User Profile, App Data, Local, Microsoft, Windows, Inet Cache, Low, Content.ie5. It says access denied. Whatever. That's new to me. I was always able to get in there before with older versions of Internet Explorer, but so what? Whatever. You get the idea. Control-Shift-Delete. Now you get this menu. Now there's a thing with Internet Explorer. You want to uncheck the box that says Preserve Favorites and Websites Data. Otherwise, if you have a web page in your favorite, it will not delete the cache for that web page. Delete. Check it out. I'm going to even try it in Edge. Control-Shift-Delete, clear browsing data. Change it to all time, and you want cookies and cache. Those are the things that bug your computer up and make it run slow. I'm going to show you one last trick. If you want to clear the cache in all your browsers at the same time and you want to like just click it and run it once a month or something, download CCleaner. I'll link this in the description, but you can get it at www.ccleaner.com/ccleaner/download. This is literally an abbreviation for crap cleaner. I don't want the free trial. I don't want to buy now. I just want the free version. And I'm going to show you how to install the free version so that it does not nag you and does not slow down your system. So now that it's downloading, downloaded. My computer's scanning it for viruses. Show in folder. Okay. Right click and open. That way I know I ran it and I don't accidentally try to run it twice. Am I spazzing and clicking it too many times? I hit customize. I do not need intelligent cookie scan. Hit install. Hit decline for this offer for an antivirus. If this comes up for trying to run a README file, just hit escape on your keyboard. Oops, I shouldn't have ran that thing. Now you'll see it down here in the taskbar, system tray area. If you don't see this, there'll be a little up arrow hiding it. Go inside that little menu and bring it up that way. Trust me. So what you want to do is right click it, hit options, and it takes you to this menu, which you'll also get you by clicking options and then smart cleaning. You uncheck both of these boxes. Yes. That way it doesn't run when you start up Windows and it doesn't bug you ever. What you want to do if you want to run it to clean all your cache and all your browsers. And I'll go back to a folder. Let's go back to Chrome's cache and open up Chrome and load up a bunch of stuff. Oh look, I Googled myself. And there's my videos. Lol. All I'm doing right now is just loading a bunch of cache, you know? Just opening up a bunch of tabs. Tabs of things. All right, close that. Now you see I got all these files, right? Now, on the keyboard, you press Windows button R and type CCleaner. That's CCleaner. And then a space, and then the /, which is the one on the question mark key. No space, and the word auto, AUTO. And press enter. Now observe, down here in the system tray, in the taskbar, you'll see a CCleaner icon with the broom icon disappearing and reappearing. That means it's cleaning. And when it's done, all the cache is gone. So say, for example, you've never deleted your cache in any of your browsers, you could follow these steps and start this up before you go to bed, because it might take a couple hours for all we know. You might have like 40 gigs of cache. And then experience a almost brand new running really fast computer again. So that's it. That's all my tips for clearing the cache without getting totally geeky and opening command line and typing commands to delete files, which is, who needs that? Thanks for watching. You can click up here to get the playlist of my Telework tips videos. And why don't you go ahead and watch some random tech video that I'll put up here. And then subscribe to my channel with the button down here. And my social networking stuff is going to be over here. Thanks. Bye.